Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to change 2017 VW Jetta brake light. Start by parking on level ground and disconnecting the battery to avoid shorts while you work on the rear light assembly. Gather a flathead, Phillips, and replacement 5W brake bulb before removing the trunk liner to access the taillight. Work patiently to prevent broken clips and test the new bulb before reassembling the trim, and I'll walk through accessing the light, removing the old bulb, and reinstalling the new one with simple tips for avoiding snap clips and scratches. Use gloves to keep oils off the bulb and keep track of screws in a small container. If the bulb fails to light, check the fuse and socket for corrosion, then wiggle the connector gently while testing to confirm a solid electrical connection before sealing the trim. Routine checks help prevent last-minute failures, so inspect your brake lights monthly and after any impact. Replace with the correct bulb type and wattage specified for the model, and avoid overpowered bulbs that can melt sockets or damage wiring. Keep a spare bulb and a small tool kit in the trunk, and consider sealing clips with a drop of silicone grease to reduce corrosion and extend component life significantly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.